Hello and welcome to the Canada Immigration Matters channel. Did you know there are currently over 1,623 approved LMIA jobs in Canada? We frequently receive inquiries about where to find LMIA-approved jobs so that people can avoid falling for scams. In today's video, we're diving into a hot topic: how you can find LMIA-approved jobs in Canada using the official job bank website. We'll demystify the LMIA process, provide a step-by-step guide to finding approved LMIA jobs, and share valuable tips to increase your chances of landing a good job in Canada. We'll also discuss the importance of a positive LMIA for Canadian employers looking to hire temporary foreign workers like you. Plus, we'll show you how to avoid scams and find legitimate LMIA-positive employers using official resources. Remember, persistence is key in this challenging job market. Stay tuned till the end for some crucial tips on applying for LMIA jobs and learn how to find employers with a positive LMIA. If you're looking to work in Canada, understanding LMIA is crucial, so watch this video to the end for all the important details. Currently, there are 1,623 approved LMIA jobs in Canada, with an additional 11,029 jobs awaiting approval from Employment and Social Development Canada, ESDC. Finding an LMIA job can be challenging, but don't let that discourage you. Persistence is key. Keep applying, and you might just find the perfect opportunity. Let us try to show you how to find those LMIA-approved jobs to make things easier for you. For those of you who are unclear about the subject, let us start with the question: what is an LMIA? An LMIA, or Labor Market Impact Assessment, is a document Canadian employers need before they can hire a temporary foreign worker. ESDC issues a positive LMIA if hiring a foreign worker will have a positive or neutral impact on the Canadian job market. This means the employer tried but couldn't find a suitable Canadian worker for the job. Let us talk about the important steps to find LMIA jobs in Canada. To avoid the time-consuming process of obtaining an LMIA, you can search for LMIA-approved positions listed on the Canada Job Bank's website. From there, you can contact the list of employers who have applied and received a positive LMIA. The procedures below will help you identify LMIA-approved positions on Canada Job Bank, as well as another option for finding LMIA-positive firms. Now, let's get into how you can find these LMIA-approved jobs in Canada. Here's a step-by-step guide for searching on Canada Job Bank. Step 1. Visit the official Canada Job Bank website at www.jobbank.gc.ca and scroll to Temporary Foreign Worker. Step 2. Click Temporary Foreign Workers and then search to view job opportunities. Step 3. After clicking on the search button to explore available positions, use the filter options at the bottom left of your screen. Filter the options by location you are interested in working, pay, language, and importantly, LMIA status. Step 4. Scroll to Labor Market Impact Assessment status and check LMIA approved. Now, you'll see all the LMIA-approved positions. You can apply online and submit your resume to the employers of your choice. You can also contact employers directly if you wish. We recommend you do this so that you know if the job is still available or not. Here are a few tips to remember while applying. Numerous applicants have reportedly stated that applying to name companies rather than number companies increases your chances of getting an LMIA job. So, apply to well-known companies rather than lesser-known ones. Remember that paying an employer to get an LMIA is illegal, so avoid getting involved in such practices. Only apply to jobs that match your career profile to have a better chance of being interviewed and hired. Calibrate your resume or CV according to the job's roles and responsibilities to show how you can be a good fit for a particular role. Let us talk briefly about finding LMIA-positive employers. As previously stated, firms and individuals must apply for an LMIA and receive approval before hiring a foreign national. If they get a negative response, they will be unable to hire a foreign national. To prevent employment fraud and allow interested candidates to obtain information without paying a charge, Employment and Social Development Canada publishes a list of businesses that requested an LMIA and received a good result. ESDC releases a list of employers that received a positive LMIA every 3 months. So, whether you are a temporary foreign worker seeking a new company or someone looking to accept a job offer, you can use ESDC's directory to identify possible companies you can apply to for jobs with confidence. Always remember that employers must have a positive LMIA before hiring foreign workers. A negative LMIA does not allow the hiring of any temporary foreign workers. The ESDC publishes a list of businesses with positive LMIAs quarterly. This can help you verify potential employers and avoid scams. In the video description area, you will find the links to the list of employers with positive LMIAs and the list of employers with negative LMIAs. Also remember, LMIAs are valid for only 6 months, except in the construction and healthcare sectors, where the validity period is longer. Finding an LMIA job can be challenging, but don't let this deter you. Keep applying, and with a bit of luck, you might just land one good job. That's all we have for you today. Please, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more immigration tips, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video. Reach out to us at Chugo Immigration Services for all your Canadian immigration solutions. We are a registered Canadian immigration company that is ready to help prospective immigrants like you. Good luck with your job search in Canada. Thanks for watching.